All right, we're going to go through the Taylor Swift problem. We're going to be a bouncer for Taylor Swift. So I'm going to copy the to-do, Control C, and I'm going to put it in my program because that gives me a guide as to how to create the program. And let's see, I've been saving them someplace. There it is, Spring 25, Python, week, oop. I need a week 2, don't I? Let me make a week 2. There. And I'm going to right click on the week 2 on the left-hand side. Show more options. Open with code. After I've got my week 1 folder, I'm going to create a new file. bouncer.py. I'm in week 2. Bouncer.py. Control V to paste in the to-do. And now I have the outline of how to do my program. I'm not going to show you how to print a program title. We've done that a few times. But I think I will print one just so I can, my program looks nice. Welcome to the concert. There's my little type. Lets the user know what's coming up. Now, it's up to you. How do I get user input for their age and convert it into an integer?
Age.
Yeah, that's good. If age is typically when you're trying to make decisions with numbers, you start at one end or the other. I usually start at the top and then work down. So if the age is, and that's just because that's what I do. So if age is greater than 21, right? And then we say age is 18. And that leaves only 18 and 17 and below, right? Because we've eliminated, at this point, we don't care about anything above 21 because we've eliminated it. So you can think of decision making as eliminating choices. We don't have to test for over 21 again. We only have to test if it's greater than 18, because if it's greater than 18 or 18, if it's not greater than 21 and it's not greater than 18, the only thing left is it has to be 17 and under. There are no other choices because we've eliminated those ranges. So think of if statements as eliminating. Oh, somebody had a chat and I wasn't paying attention, probably 20 days ago. Oh, two-factor problems. Yeah, two-factor can be a pain in the Watusi. Sometimes it doesn't work like you want it to. All right, so now we have decided if the age equals 21, and it says check if the user meets the conditions for entry, print the result. Well, the result of this would be you can enter and have a drink because they're above the legal drinking age. It doesn't matter what you say there. I don't think that's what I said there in the thing. You just want to let them know that, yes, they're over 21, or you could say you're over 21, you can enter and drink. There. Now, how do we make our next decision? We have 3 brackets. We've eliminated over 21. Which decision should we make next?
Would we use an else if, or would we use an else?
Do we only have 2 choices?
Yeah.
Or do we have 3?
We have 3.
Right. So if we have 3, we have the if always starts. We can have between 18 and what? 20 or 20 and 19. And then we have 17 and under. So we have 3 different areas we can sort things into. So yeah, we would use an LF. right? Because if it's not 21, well, we need to check, is it over 18? And now we've eliminated everything 18 and above. I mean, above 18, which would be 19 and above, sorry. It didn't say equals to, it said 21 plus. So it's over 18. And let's see, you're over 18, you can enter. That's all you can do is enter, can't have a drink. Because you're not over 21. Now, the second part that you were saying, Sean, is we've made two decisions. What's left?
Under.
Are there any other choices we can make?
Yeah, under 18.
But that's it, right? I mean, that's all that's left. Do we have to decide explicitly, or can we just say everything else is under 17? We can just say else, because there are no other options. We've eliminated 22 and above. We've eliminated 19 and above. All that is left is 18 and below. There is nothing else to test. Could we test to see if it's less than 18? We could. But do we need to? No, because we've eliminated everything else. So think of decisions as eliminating options. Because if you make a decision to go to work, you've eliminated the option of staying home and sleeping. Most of our decisions we make in life, you can't do two things. You can only do one. You're eliminating things. Like Sean decided to come to school today, which means that he's not at home watching his favorite TV show. So that watching the favorite TV show was eliminated because you decided to do this. So decisions you can think of as eliminating, and it's a good way to think about it in computer programming. We'll get ranges of information that we want to decide what to do based on that. And if you start at the top and eliminate things as you go, it makes it a consistent way to make decisions and much easier to program. There. And this person cannot enter. Sorry. Go home or whatever. Now, we won't do this very often, but we've combined our decision making and our display. I mean, our calculations and our display all in one place. Typically, we're going to do our calculations and then do a display. But this is a very small demonstration program for decisions. So this is a simple way to do this program. So does it work? Well, let's see. If I'm 22, I should be able to drink. Oh, yes. And if I'm 19, I can go in. And if I'm under 19, I have to go home.